This video explains a simple fix for Kameleon counters. The problem is the top glass was not siliconed in place. When the glass slides slightly towards the back of the case, a gap can occur between the front glass and top glass. To fix this, push the glass towards the front of the case as far as it can go. You will notice a complete overlap of the top glass over the edge of the front glass. Ensure the front of the case is flush. Now to remove the batten. Do this by driving a screw into it. Using a tool that allows you to grip the screw, pull the batten out. Silicone along the glass against the extrusion. Try not to let the silicone get in contact with the top piece of glass or it will be visible by customers when dry. If this does occur, simply wipe it off with a wet finger. Take the piece of gray batten. Notice the ridge goes against the metal, facing down, where the other flat side goes against the glass, facing up. Put the batten in place and ease it back in with a blunt tool or object. It will simply snap in along the extrusion. Once the first side is done, repeat the process for the other side. Use a screw to remove the batten, silicone along the edge, and make sure to allow the silicone at least 12 hours to dry. Reinsert the new piece of batten. Remember, the ridge side faces the metal and the flat side faces the glass. Now to install the shelf. First, remove the side track. The grooves allow it to snap into the extrusion. The track simply pulls out. Next, remove the top track halfway along, then slide out the rest. Slowly remove each door. As you can see, the front door has a keyhole, while the back door has a thumb hole. Remove the shelf, then angle it accordingly to slide onto its shelf supports. As you put the doors back, notice the back door has a groove in it. This allows it to fit into the channel. Slide the back door in first. Then slide the front door in beside it, pushing the doors over to one side. Replace the piece of extrusion the same way you removed it, sliding it back in. If a snag is hit at the corner, pull the doors and track out enough to maneuver the track into place. It will simply snap into place. Ensure that it's snapped all the way down.
Snaps into place. Yep. Make sure it's snapped in all the way.
Then do the same again for the side track. Snapping it back into place. Make sure the doors slide freely and you're good to go.